It's a work spot. It's called Tori's. It was so lit. Everybody was so nice. How about Ray? The man told Ray he was gonna make his food with love and turn on music, honey. That's the clip that y'all saw of us jamming.
Okay, honey, so, whew, let me turn this light on. Ew. I hate yellow lighting. Anyway, so, honey, the body. Okay, it's giving MILF. It's giving MILF. I told y'all it's giving MILF, honey. But this right here, the little, honey, I look like a little seahorse. We gotta get rid of that. If you have any suggestions, honey, drop them in the comments. Because this ain't Finance Gang, it's your girl Shay here, and I am coming back at you guys with another video. Before we get started, this is your first time on my channel, Wagwan, welcome to my kitchen. If you are not subscribed to me, thank you at least for watching the video, and if you like some of the videos on here, go ahead and subscribe. But if you don't, it's okay, girl. Thank you for stopping by for the first few seconds. Other than that, if you my home girl, Wagwan, what's this into all my trainees for stopping through the channel, thank you. And we're gonna get right into this video. So this video is a little all over the place because I got so much to do, but I'm taking you guys with me today because I haven't done that in a while. So I am doing a few things. First, honey, did y'all see that body? Okay, yes and no. Okay, so it's going on 4 weeks. That baby boy has been healed. Okay, but the body, honey, the body needs some work. Okay, so we're trying to move around because the body needs some work, honey. The tummy, no fupas, honey, for shade, no ma'am. So we're gonna be working on that, and I'm also trying to get my business together. So we got some stuff to do. I just want to take y'all with me today. My husband is not feeling well, so we got a little time to do some stuff. Speaking of husband, y'all, let me show y'all. Do y'all see these beautiful flowers? My husband. Okay, don't judge. I know y'all not judging me because y'all love me, but my husband bought me some roses, baby. And if you know Shay, you know Shay love the roses, but they're my favorite. One of my favorites because I love flower and floral arrangements. But yes, honey. And then she's trying to get her desk area situated so she can give y'all some tutorials. But I digress. What's this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, what is that at the top? Here. Oh, wait. Why is it not focusing? I just wanted to show y'all what my baby got for me. But, so, he ain't feeling good, and we got to get out of this house. We got stuff to do. So, come ride with me. Take a ride with me.
People real gayish.
I know.
Alright, well, I'm walking in.
Okay, babe. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is I gotta go get some churn from school. So I just want to say, make sure y'all putting y'all seatbelts on. I don't care what the controversy is about the seatbelts. Put your seatbelt on. Let's go get this kid. Yeah. Right. So I have my 6-week appointment on. No, I'm not looking nothing in him. I have my 6-week appointment on, what is it? The 20th. I think it's on a Monday. On Monday. And this is just what your girl looking like. She got a little, you know, she's a little shapely. So that milk factor is still there. Just kidding, guys. But my belly, can you see how much smaller it is? It's smaller than it was in the last video. So we getting somewhere. I don't got no boo to do. So that's bad. That's bad for you. Okay, guys. So I did a thing. I bought a Cricut, and so I made sure to get everything. I'm really just trying to zoom in, and it's not working. Hey guys, so I did a thing. I bought a Cricut. This is the Cricut maker. These are the tools that I bought. I purchased them off of Amazon. Yes, Biscuit. Okay, we're gonna go into the restroom. So I'm getting ready to open this, and this is the mat. The Cricut mat. Bless you, mommy. This is the Cricut mat that I also bought off of Amazon. It's pink. Of course, it's pink. Hold on, y'all. I bought the pink one, so I'll be using this cutting mat. It's also by Cricut, and this is the actual Cricut. I don't know that y'all can see this, but this is the actual Cricut. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and make sure it's working, and then so this is my office. But hear me out. Okay, wait, let me turn this thing on. We got a lot going on over here. So what I'm gonna do, this is my nail station. All of my things are put away because we use this for not just the nail station. I use it more, well, Daddy uses it as his workstation, and he just bought the girls some stuff, and he got some stuff going on over here. And so yeah, I'm waiting to get my things to put on the wall. Haven't done that yet, so I got a lot to do. Then I'll be able to do my desk tour, but this is just what we're doing right now. I'm just gonna move some of this stuff so I can put my Cricut over here. So side note, I don't know about y'all, but it is something about a man with a tool set, honey. Yes, baby. Look at all this stuff. Mommy. Child, he's showing that. Maybe did he just lay this out here for me to find when I got up? Cause he knew that I was gonna be trying to, I don't know what he got going on, but when he get home, baby, he gonna have to kiss me 2 times. Hear me? All right, so I haven't used the box cutter in so long, but we're gonna use it today to open this good old box. Oh God, I'm doing this with my left hand, y'all, and I'm not left-handed. Don't judge. Okay, I know it's kind of dangerous, but. So my husband do it like this, so. Mommy. Actually, he just be ripping it, busting it open with his fist. I don't even understand. Maybe that's just a man thing or something. I don't know. But honey. And then y'all get into these nails, baby. Yes, done by yours truly. Okay. So if you wear nails, you already know not to use your nail to get on the inside of this. So we're gonna use this little pencil. Yes, B. It's looking nice already. Okay. Okay, so I have the Cricut maker. Comes with, it says a premium fine point blade, a rotary blade, fine point pin, knife blade, scoring wheel, washable fabric pin, calligraphy pen. This does come with it, okay? This is what's included. This is what's not. Okay. I did see everybody with the pink Cricut. Y'all know I wanted that one, but it was not the maker. I think it was like the Explorer Air or something like that. So this is she, and she looks good. We're gonna open she and see what it do. Okay, I got the box open. I did hurt my nail, y'all. Oh my god, Jesus. I was like pulling out this little thing on the side, and my nail like bent like that. My hand bent up. It hurt so bad. Okay, let's get started. So I already did the setup and everything. I've been watching YouTube videos. Here's my maker. Looks like this when I'm unboxing. So I'm gonna take this out. Hold on. So these are the it says materials for your first project. Something that you open. It says open me first. It has so much. It's packaged very nicely. Very neat. This is awesome. Underneath this, I just took everything out, put it to the side. Underneath is a pen. USB cord, blade cap, rotary blade cap. So this is amazing. They also, in the bottom of the box, was 2 more mats. It's have 3 mats now, and that's awesome. A pink one, and a blue one. That's cool. Let's do the honors of undressing this baby. She's beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is a rose color. Wow. This is amazing.
14, because I was talking about something tomorrow. But you seen the ones that on my bed.
Why is it not focusing? No, you fine.
They got the black bottom and they look like kind of like a child hand painting a bit, bro. Them bitches hard. I seen them in Alabama. We're gonna get them.
So it does like give us a walkthrough, and I'm not normally somebody who would read through, but this is very important. So I'll be looking through this, but this is it. Voila, she's beautiful.